10 inventions that Pakistan gave to the world. 1. Human Development Index. Mahbub-ul-Haq designed the HDI in 1990. It measures life expectancy, education, and income. The HDI became a core development tool for the UN. It shifted focus from GDP to human-centered growth. 2. First computer virus. Two brothers in Lahore created Brain in 1986. Amjad and Basit Farooq targeted pirated software. The virus infected floppy disks worldwide. It became history's first documented PC virus. 3. Self-sustaining toilet. Engineer Sohail Khan led a team at Loughborough University. He created a toilet for regions without infrastructure. It turns waste into charcoal, clean water, and minerals. The Gates Foundation funded the Breakthrough Project. 4. Sagar Veena. Lawyer Raza Kazim created this string instrument. It was built in Lahore. It mixes Indian classical and modern sounds. Today, only his daughter Noor Zara performs on this instrument. 5. Non-explosive fertilizer formula. Pakistani company Fatima Group changed fertilizer forever. They removed ammonium nitrate to prevent bomb misuse. This helps reduce the threat of homemade explosives. Their solution is now used by farmers in multiple countries. 6. Brain silicon connection. Dr. Naweed Syed created the world's first neurochip in Canada. He successfully connected brain cells to a silicon chip. No scientist had achieved this breakthrough before. His work opened new paths in prosthetics and neural technology. 7. Omaya Reservoir. Dr. Ayub Omaya created the reservoir in the 1960s. It delivers chemotherapy directly to the brain ventricles. It's now used globally in brain cancer treatment. Dr. Omaya also advised NASA on head trauma protection. 8. Pleuroperitoneal shunt. Dr. Syed Amjad Hussain invented a lung drainage device. His shunt moves fluid from lungs to abdomen. He also created a special tube for airway procedures. Both medical tools are used worldwide today. 9. Blast casualty prevention software. Dr. Zishan al-Hassan Usmani created a simulation tool. It maps how bombs affect crowds of people. His research proves that better crowd layouts save lives. The system helps protect areas in Pakistan and Afghanistan. 10. Plastic magnet. Dr. Naveed A. Zaidi created the first magnetic plastic in 2004. It uses organic polymers at room temperature. This breakthrough could revolutionize electronics. He made the discovery while at the University of Manitoba. 10 inventions that Pakistan gave to the world. 1. Human Development Index. Mahbub-ul-Haq designed the HDI in 1990. It measures life expectancy, education, and income. The HDI became a core development tool for the UN. It shifted focus from GDP to human-centered growth. 2. First computer virus. Two brothers in